Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you guys an unboxing of, if you guys have seen the title, you know what this is. I've been waiting for this to come in. Literally when she was advertising it, I signed up to get the alert, and then once it went live, I pulled the trigger and kind of bought it, even though I hope for the price that I paid that the products are worth it. So, you know, I do know that a lot of times that when she puts things out, she does really put a lot of thought and effort into it. So I'm excited. Let's see what Kim Kardashian has cooked up for us. I bought the Skin by Kim Kardashian skincare complete set. So at first when I picked up this package, I was like, wait, what did I buy that was this big? But I didn't realize it was gonna come in this huge, like, look at it against the side of my face. Like a huge package. So, as you guys can see, I'm like, what kind of, this is complete, okay? So we are going to unbox this. And I will give you guys like a whole thing about the texture of the products and things like that, and then I will be doing a separate video with like my skincare routine using her products. Right now I've been using Skin LOL Skin with one N by Lori Harvey, and I normally kind of just like switch up my skincare routine. Anybody that's ever struggled with acne, you know that your skin becomes immune to many different products, so you constantly have to keep kind of like switching up, and then you can go back to what you normally are used to. But that's why I am open and I'm willing to support both ladies in their endeavors in terms of their skincare. So I will have you guys see. We're about to start this. Let me just rearrange everything. Okay, so we're going to unbox this. My dog is over here being nosy. But basically, once you open it up, of course you have the little like papers and things like that. But there are a bunch of samples. Lala, that's not a toy. But there are a bunch of samples, like little sample packets that are in the box. So I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see. My dog definitely thinks this is a treat. No, girl. All right, so they have little sample sizes here. So there's little sample sizes here that are immediately at the top of the box, and one of them is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum Plumping Hydration. The other one is the eye cream. Then we also have the exfoliator, soft resurfacing, and they're all the same package. We also have the Vitamin C8 serum with ethyl ascorbic acid. And then last but not least, we also have the oil drops, which is the Vita C Glow. So once we get rid of all of that, that's nice that she put like a sample size there. Now, once we remove all of the excess paper, now we have another box, which has the complete set. Let's see. Put this off to the side. Definitely need to keep these sample sizes there. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this box open. Let's see. Alright, Lala. I know you want to be the star of this show, but come over here. Thank you. You want to help me unbox? Come on. Alright. So, as I get this box open, let's see. Alright. So it opens up and it kind of looks like the box kind of slides out. So you kind of have to shake the box out. And then it comes, woo. So once you remove the packaging from the box, it kind of is like this flat kind of set, and this is basically what you've been seeing everybody on social media upload, and it kind of has the complete set in like this cardboard sort of box. And on the back it shows you all the items that are a part of this set, and also kind of like the description of them. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. But as you see, it kind of has like the label behind everything. And on the front of this packaging it says Skin by Kim. Alright, so we're gonna open this up even more. Okay. Alright, so let's see. One of the products kind of stuck to this. Let's see, what is that? Alright, so then you open it up and it just has the cutout of everything, and also a spatula that seems to be attached. That is like a metal silver spatula that has Skin by Kim engraved in it. So it's just this little metal application tool. Each of the items are here. So first is the cleanser, and I like it. She's kind of definitely a neutral type of person. She loves neutrals, it seems like, but I do love the packaging. Oh no, it seems like some of the products spilled into the cover, but I do love the packaging. So I'm smelling it right now, but basically it seems like it's a light consistency, the cleanser. And then after the cleanser, I wonder if it tells you steps, like step 1, step 2, because that's what Skin by Lori Harvey, at least it tells you what steps you're supposed to do. But we start with the cleanser. Then after the cleanser, there's also a toner, which is kind of like the same size as well. And this toner is also, it says AHA plus Gentle Exfoliator. So, oh, this toner comes out. I've removed it from the little can, but how do I? Oh, you have to unscrew it. I see. So this is what she meant by things are refillable. So basically I'm gonna put this in, and it has this tip right here, so you can kind of like shake whatever consistency the toner is, and you can kind of just squeeze it onto a cotton pad. Let's just screw this back on. Okay. Then after that, we have the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And let's see. We then have the Vitamin C8 Serum as well, which is, these ones are all in smaller sizes. The oil drops, and I guess it's because you don't necessarily need a large amount of these. And then also the night oil. So since she has oil drops and night oils, I'm assuming this is something that you can do for both morning and night type of thing. The eye cream, these come in little small balls. Let's open this up. Let's open the lid, and it's like this. Smells really clean and soft and subtle too, which I like. Smells clean. We also have a body exfoliator as well, or not, I guess not body exfoliator, but some sort of an exfoliator for the skin, which comes in this, which I unscrewed. Let's see, let's open this up. And it's kind of like a scrub type of consistency. It looks a little like some sort of, honestly it kind of looks like lotion to me, and then I'm guessing once you're scrubbing it in, it becomes a scrub, or at least has some exfoliated bead on there. And then the last thing is a face cream, which also comes in the circle as well, and we'll open that up. And it's the same, almost same consistency as the eye cream, as you can see. So I'm gonna close these all back up. I'm excited to honestly use these and show you guys a part, kind of integrating it into my skincare routine. She does have a, I'm guessing this might be, let's see, it has a list of all the products that are here in different languages. What I do wish though, let's just now that we've seen the product, there's a few things I wish that were here that I kind of liked in Lori Harvey's. So with Lori Harvey's, she has the number 1, 2, 3, and 4, so you kind of have your steps. Of course, if you're a skincare person, you kind of know which steps to go in. Like, of course, you're going to use your cleanser, then you use your toner. But then, like, for example, the hyaluronic acid serum, the vitamin C8 serum, and all that, you kind of want to figure out, when am I supposed to use these, or in what order. She did make a video about how she does it, and I think it would have been good to also kind of like label the products based off of how she does, like her best recommendations, I would say. So of course, you know, just kind of make it in a sense like dummy proof, I guess you could say. But of course, these types of products you use based off of what you think works best for you. But I do think it's something that's nice. That way it's like, all right, it's a part of like, this is my skincare routine, this is the way I should use it, and things like that, especially when you're coming with a whole complete set. Other than that, I'm excited to try it, so once I do try it, I will update you guys, so please be on the lookout for that video. But if you liked this unboxing and you're looking forward for the review, a full review, and basically I feel like with these type of things, a full review would be once I'm actually using the product to see what I like or don't like. Definitely be on the lookout. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel so that you guys are alert and aware of when I upload that video. Also, for those who are wondering, I do have acne prone skin, so I am curious to see how this is gonna work. A lot of my skin has cleared up, but I do still have texture and scarring, so I am kind of curious to see how this is all gonna work out with like my skin and all that types of stuff. Like, my skin is very sensitive in terms of to the foods I eat and things like that. But I will definitely keep you guys updated. I'm excited to try this product. I'm excited to give you guys a full review, but I will catch up with you later. See ya.